What's up, everybody? So when we first got the FJ Cruiser, you might see a little something up there, ignore that for right now. But when we first got the FJ Cruiser, one of the main things that stood out to me was this window trim is just not in the best shape. I'm not sure if you can see all that on camera, but it just doesn't quite match up to the window like it should. There's kind of a void in there. You can actually see some paint through there and the clips that hold that one on. So that was one of the main things I wanted to change when I first got it. Both sides are like that. And overall, it should be a pretty easy thing to fix and should really help dress up the vehicle. But I guess just age and everything else wears these things out. But today we're gonna fix all that. So I actually ordered these trim tools off of Amazon. All of those are plastic, so they won't scratch the glass or anything. All right, guys, so we'll go ahead and get started here. As you can see, I put down some blue painter's tape across the whole thing just to help stop those plastic tools from scuffing my paint, which really shouldn't be too big of an issue with plastic tools in general. But overall, we'll just have to start prying up. There are clips throughout holding these window seals on. So we'll go ahead and start with this one. I believe there's just 3 here. And then on the front, I believe there's just 1 on the back and 1 on the front, and the rest is just kind of cupped down over the edge of the door. So we'll go ahead and start prying those off and put the new ones on. So wedge the tool in here, rock it back. There's one of the clips. There's 2. There's the 3rd one. So you can see there's 3 clips out of the way. Go ahead and remove all this debris, put the new one back on. All right, now with that one out of the way, you can see there are just 3 holes there in the window frame. We'll go ahead and line that up with 3 holes that are pressed on to the trim here. Actually, I think this might be the wrong side, but I did just pick them both up, took them out of the bags, got them confused a little bit. So if they are the wrong one, I am sorry, but they are exactly the same size, and the holes line up perfectly. So both the left and the right hand side of the rear doors are exactly the same, in case you get your part numbers mixed up like I just did. We'll go ahead and pop this thing on. All right, simple as that. So this front side here is actually being a little bit of a pain. We're gonna ditch this tool. This is why you buy the whole pack of tools. We're gonna try this one, see if we can't wedge it in here and pop it up out of place. There we go. We'll have to get that clip out. That one broke. Be a little bit careful that it doesn't slide down on the door. And we'll be ready to go. Old one's out. So for the new one, you can see it does have a crease right down the middle. That will go on the inside of your window. This goes on the out. And obviously you have 2 clips on either side. Front being brown, back being yellow in this case. So we'll go ahead and slide this thing into place. Make sure we're working it down the inside of the window. Start with the back, pop that on, and work our way forward. So overall, guys, I could not be happier. Really loving this 2011 Trail Teams FJ Cruiser that we got, and many more videos to come. So overall, I think these new seals look great. The rubber, I guess, just does wear out over time. This thing is a 2011, so it's almost 10 years old now. But overall, I would definitely recommend this upgrade for less than $100. Like I said, I bought this kit off of Amazon, and they actually are genuine Toyota part numbers. You can see the sticker right there. Again, all this will be in the description of the video. But here's the trim tool set I bought. Don't necessarily have to have this to do this project, but I would definitely recommend it. These plastic tools don't scratch your paint or your windows quite as easily, and this kit was only $12 and comes in this really nice tool roll, so I definitely recommend that. But overall, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic week, everybody. If this video did help you out, please consider subscribing and leaving a like and leaving your thoughts down in the comment section below. Really would appreciate hearing from you all, and let us know what you think of this new project. So thank you all very much for watching. Have a fantastic week, everybody. We'll catch you next time. So I ask you all to ignore my little artwork up here, let's call it, on the windshield. The reason I'm doing this is I'm actually experimenting a little bit. There's a terrible wind howling noise that comes like, it sounds like air coming around my windshield when I go down the interstate. I've looked it up on the forums a little bit, and people have said that this is a common issue with these. It's actually this little trim piece up here. So I taped it all off. We're gonna test it out going down the interstate and see if this actually does fix the problem. More information on that to come.